Welcome to Be Clever. Please subscribe to my channel, and click the bell button, for notifications.
The different parts of a plant, and their functions. Hello kids. There are 5 parts of a plant. Roots, stem, leaves, fruit, and seeds. Let's learn all these 6 parts with their function.
Please don't forget to subscribe.
Roots. This part of a plant is called the root of a plant. The roots are like straws that suck up water and nutrients from the soil, and anchor the plant in the ground so it doesn't blow away. Stem. This is stem. The stem is like the trunk of a tree. It holds up the plant and keeps it standing tall. The stem also carries water and nutrients from the roots to the leaves. Leaves. These are leaves. The leaves are like little factories that make food for the plant. They use sunlight, air, and water to make a sugary substance called glucose, which gives the plant energy. Flowers. This is a flower of a plant. Flowers are like the plant's way of making babies. They produce seeds that can grow into new plants. Flowers are often brightly colored and have a sweet smell to attract insects and other creatures to help them pollinate and make seeds. Fruits. This is a fruit. Fruits are like little houses for seeds. They protect the seeds and help them spread around so new plants can grow in different places. Fruits can be eaten by animals and people, which helps the seeds travel even further. Seeds. These are seeds. Seeds are like baby plants waiting to be born. They have everything they need to grow into a new plant, like a tiny food supply and a little embryo that will sprout roots and leaves when it gets enough water and sunlight. So, to sum up, the roots suck up water and nutrients. The stem holds up the plant and carries water and nutrients. The leaves make food. The flowers make seeds. The fruits protect the seeds and help them spread, and the seeds grow into new plants.
Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned for more videos.